Hey guys, we're up in this abandoned building, barn area with my friend Spencer. Alright, this is the first time I've taken out my 10 Foglio Limited Custom. Alright, so I haven't personally ever been shot by this, so my friend Spencer's going to hold the camera and he's going to pop off a few shots at me. Chest shots. I'm not getting shot in the arms or the fingers or nothing, just the chest. So again, this is KWC 10 Foglio Limited Custom.
Hurts like
CO2 blowback gun.
Hurts like a bitch.
Yeah, he's been shot by it. Alright, here we go.
In the hand.
So, you're just going to hold the camera, and so they can see the gun.
Yeah.
And so they can see it. So, I don't know.
So, this is me, cameraman Spencer. Gonna shoot my friend Ben. Bear skin, right?
Bear skin. I got my shirt on.
Okay, shirt on.
Alright, so don't miss. Alright. Chest, like, right?
Yeah, I know.
Alright.
That hurt.
It doesn't actually. Alright, here, let's go. Bear skin. Chest, alright, don't be a dude.
Okay.
Chest. Ah, you fuck. Alright, look. See,
Guys,
little
look.
welt.
Wait, guys, look at it.
It's not that bad.
Okay, he's got his abs out and everything. Done.
Chest. Not my nipples, I'll fucking kill you. Chest, go. Go. Do it again. Ah, 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 you fuck up. Ah, fuck. Ah, you fucking douche. Ah. Lucky you don't know how to reload the fucking gun. Ow! Ow!
Dude, look at it. It's bleeding, dude.
Ow!
Dude, let me see. Turn around. Show the people your wounds. Okay, you want to do it again?
He hit me. There.
Oh my god.
There. I can't see my back, but
Right there, by his right shoulder blade, and then left.
Oh.
You want to do it again?
In other words, this gun hurts like a bitch.
You want to do it again?
No. I'm good. Alright, so 10 Foglio CO2 Limited Custom. This is modeled after a race gun and it hurts like a bitch.